How to add friends in Purp app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends in Purp app. So you should follow the following steps for that. And the steps are, the very first step that you should follow is start by swiping through the profiles in app. Once you open your app, you need to swipe up and you need to go through your profile, and if you come across someone you'd like to connect with, you should swipe on the right side. After you swipe on the right, the app will register your interest and the person you have swiped on will receive a notification of your friend request. Now you have sent the friend request to your friend. Now to view the status of your friend request, navigate to the Friends tab located at the bottom of the app. Here you will find a list of individuals who have swiped right on your profile. So you can simply accept it if you want, but how you can send a friend request is pretty easy by just swiping on the right side and you can just tap on them. So that's how you send a friend request on Purp. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.